A pleasant day, grade 4 students. Welcome to our computer class at New Vision International School. Our today's lesson is under Chapter 6, From Algorithm to Coding. It is entitled The Loops and Algorithm. The objectives of our today's lesson are the following. Number 1. Nesting loops in a program. Number 2. Completing scripts in order to have regular shapes. Before we start our today's lesson, you should prepare the following materials. Your book on computer on page 80, a pen, and the Scratch program. To start with, let us have a recap. In this recap, you will be reminded on how to build scripts in order to obtain different shapes. For warm-up exercise, given number 1. The first block is when T key pressed, so we will go to Events. Drag this one and change it into T. Then we will proceed to pen, then drag pen down. Next is the control, then drag repeat times, change it into 3. After that, go to motion and then drag move steps, make it 50. Then finally, turn 120 degrees to the right. Now let us now press the key in order to find out the result. So this is the result for given number 1. Let's do number 2. So for number 2, when C key pressed, pen down, then repeat 4 times, move 50 steps, and then turn 90 to the right. So let us now press the key. So that is the result for number 2. And finally for number 3, when P key pressed, pen down, then repeat 5 times, move 50 steps, and finally turn 72 degrees. Let us now press the key in order to find the result. And this is the result for number 3. So we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. Let us start our discussion, the loops and algorithm, with exercise number 1. In this exercise, you should follow the given instructions. The following script below enables you to draw a triangle. You should try it in Scratch and draw the figure obtained in the space provided. Remember, a nested loop is a loop placed in another loop. As you can see below, we use to repeat times command. Now I'm gonna show you how to do exercise number 1 using Scratch program. The first script would be repeat 3 times. So we're going to click control and then repeat, change it into 3, followed by pen down. Click pen and then drag pen down, then followed by another repeat 3 times. So click control and drag repeat times, command change it into 3, and then proceed into motion, drag move forward, and then change it into 50. then turn to the left 120 degrees, so change it into 120, and finally another turn to the left 120. So let us now see what shapes to be obtained using this script. So this is now the result. Let us now answer exercise number 2. In this exercise, we are going to use the technique of nesting loops in order to write the algorithm that enables you to repeat a square 10 times. So what should be the first step? The first step should be pen down, followed by repeat 10 times, which is the first loop. Then repeat 4 times, the second loop, followed by move 50 steps, and then turn 90 degrees to the right, or we can also use to the left. Finally, turn 36 degrees to the right, or we can also use to the left. If you use to the left once, you will also use the last step to the left. If you use turn to the right, you will also use the last step turn to the right. Remember, 36 degrees in the last steps came from the quotient of 360 divided by 10, since we are going to repeat the square 10 times. For exercise number 3, you're going to put in order the following instructions to reveal the algorithm of the shape below. What is the first step? That is, repeat 5 times, followed by move forward 50 steps, and then repeat 4 times, followed by move backward 50 steps. Next, turn 90 degrees, followed by turn 72 degrees, and finally move forward 30 steps. Now I'm gonna show you how to do exercise number 2 using a Scratch program. The first step would be pen down, so drag pen down under pen, and then followed by control, then repeat 10 times, then followed by another repeat command, which is actually 4 times, then proceed to motion, drag move forward 50 steps, and then turn to the right 90 degrees, and finally turn to the right 36 degrees. Let us now try the result. And that is now the result. I'm gonna show you how to do exercise number 3 using Scratch program. So first we have control, repeat 5 times, and then move 50 steps forward, then control, repeat 4 times. Next, move 50 steps backward, followed by turn 90 to the right. Next is turn 72 degrees to the right, Finally, move forward 30 steps. But don't forget to include pen down. Let's try, and that is now the result. At this moment, it is your turn to practice exercises 1 to 3 using Scratch program. Remember, nobody is perfect, but through practice, we can be better. Good luck, students! Thank you for listening, students. I hope you learned something from this video. Have a nice day